If may kilala kang may home loan, kailangan mong sabihin sa kanila to. Wala akong idea na sobra pala ang binabayad ng parents ko sa home loan nila every month. Akala lang nila na yung rate na nakuha nila was the best deal and wala na silang magagawa about it. Turns out, may magagawa pala sila. Hindi naman tatawag sa'yo ang bangko at sasabihin, hey, pwede kang magbayad ng mas mababa. Pero with refinancing, pwede mong ilipat ang home loan mo to a better deal, lower rates, better terms, at totoong savings. So sinabi ko sa kanila na i-check ang nook.com.ph. In just a few minutes, nalaman nila na qualified sila for a lower rate at pinakita sa kanila kung magkano ang matitipid nila. No paperwork, no hassle, just clear answers. At guess what? Nag-refinance sila and now nakakatipid na sila ng libo-libo every month. So do your friends and family big favor, send mo sa kanila tong video. I text sila, call them, whatever it takes. Kasi kung sobra sila magbayad, pera na sana yon na pwede nilang gastusin for you instead. Next time, sila na ang taya sa dinner. Tell them to check nook.com.ph. It's free at baka makatipid sila ng libo-libo.